You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say this word and more interesting words and names and vocabulary that many mispronounce, including from Norse languages, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. For reference, in Swedish it is said as Strygwyr, Strygwyr. Now in English it's probably, well, most commonly said as Strygwyr, Strygwyr. From Swedish, Strygwyr, Strygwyr. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.